Hey vlog, welcome to my guys. Hey vlog, welcome to my guys.
We're going to Hong Kong. First out of town trip. Where are we going?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Train already and siya yung guide. Kung wala siya, ewan ko, mawawala kami ni Caleb.
Ha?
Hindi pa tayo kumakain.
Hindi pa, gutom na ako.
Grumpy na siya. Hangry na siya. So, ang next namin na gagawin is we're gonna check in sa hotel and then find a nice place to eat. Ayan, so gutom na po kami, mga kaibigan. Medyo nawala kami ng slide. Buti na lang yung asawa ko navigate. Because otherwise, be lost. I wouldn't know where to go. So, mag-food crawl kami ngayon dito sa Mongkok. And let's just get lost and food trip ourselves. How's your food?
Ito, mas gusto ko pa rin yung... Ewan ko, kasi hindi namin ginawa spicy ito eh. Spicy talaga siya. Tapos sinabi namin, huwag gawing spicy para dito.
Still good food though. Ikot kami. Ikot kain. So, people usually have itinerary, diba? When you go to places to visit. Ang plan lang namin, well at least for me, I'm gonna eat.
Plan naman namin is to sleep. Sleep. Sleep kami ni Caleb.
Parang we felt so old kasi 12 years ago when we were here, we're getting lost walking everywhere ganyan. Because we have a baby, we're walking around. Parang kami, sabi kami,
wala, mahirap eh, ma'am. May bit-bit kang bata, may tinutulak ka, mahirap.
Nag-snack na yung boy. Yummy? You like it? So day 2, what's our agenda for day 2? Disney! Tapos we got up early, so nagkaroon ng pastime si Caleb. Look, feeding the birds. Here we go. We're here! Yay! We made it! Are you excited? We're going to first agenda is Disneyland. O dito na.
First agenda.
Hindi ko lang in-anticipate na ang init, no? Sa amin mag-picture with Caleb kasi sinusumpong. Because for some reason, hindi siya fan talaga ng taking photos, so he covers his face. This is the whole point. We go here so we can have documented memories and the baby won't cooperate. Ride ng baby boy. Guwapo. Second ride. Second ride. Small world after.
Pakita mo.
Daddy! Daddy!
Hoy!
Okay, so ito yung reality of like going to a theme park. Sobrang daming tao. We've been in line for over an hour. Iniwan ko na yung mag-ama ko sa dulo. Wala lang nagpila for us. And then, pag nadaanan ko sila kasi sobrang ahas-ahas nga yung pila. Tsaka lang sila mag-join. This ride better be worth it. Are you ready? Are you excited? Kakatulog kayo na kaya maraming energy.
Sige, stand up dito. Okay.
Susulitin namin itong ride mo. 1 oras at kalahati. Hayo.
There's the snowman. Okay, look, there.
Okay, pa-sundown na. So far, Happy, tingin mo, na-maximize ba natin yung ano? I mean, yeah, no?
Yeah.
We were able to do the...
Yung mga para kay Caleb, yung mga pambata, wala. Hindi, kasama namin siya, so hindi kami makasakay din sa mga pangmatanda. So it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay because as long as naka-enjoy siya talaga. We still have siguro mga 1 or 2 rides left in the day.
Ang pinaka-ayoko lang today, ang hirap picturean ng anak ko.
Sobra.
So yung mga memory niya, ayaw niya pa-picture.
And then, tsaka okay lang kung ano clumsy lang siya, ganun. Tinatakpan niya yung mukha niya. Intentional na ayaw niya magpa-picture. My goodness. Another ride, 1 more ride before mag-sundown.
River Adventure.
We're here now sa Jungle Safari. Kasi mahilig si Caleb sa mga elephants and all of those other animals, so I hope he enjoys it also. I just really want like a solid, ano yan, chicha. Nag-crave ako ng something.
Ako nag-crave ako ng kama. Ano maintindihan ko yung sinasabi nitong hype? Hindi mo maintindihan eh.
Nag-differ kami ng opinion with my husband because hinayaan niya yung anak ko magtampisaw sa street fountain. It's okay, kaso dugyot lang, alam mo yun. siya. Ah.
There's mommy! Hoy! Ready na kami for the parade. Hanap kami ng maganda pwesto. Saan pa maganda daw yung spot? Pumwesto, mami. Anong sabi ng ating research?
Basta sabi lang nila, they look for like yung trees near the fireworks. So, that's where we're heading. So, inabangan talaga namin siya, diba? This is the light show. 9 p.m. So, it's 5 minutes away. Daming tao.
Ah! Hoy!
So, binidyo ko, diba? Lights, kaso, nakalimutan.
Pinali ang hindi binidyo eh. Yun ang malupit eh.
Yun yung na-miss out ko.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. It's now
Almost 10. Pagod.
Hotel.
Pagod ang mga tanders.
Pagod at tragedy.
But nag-enjoy naman ang boy. Nag-enjoy ang boy. Bye, Mickey!